Pawar. I study in 4th standard. I am student of Success Abacus online classes. My teacher name is Chetan. Today I am going to show you addition and subtraction sum using tool and imagination.
Start. Add 78 less 49. Add 56 less 21. That is
64.
Add 36. Add 27. Add 80. Add 42. That is
185.
Add 222. Add 100, 111. Add 333. That is
666.
Add 999. Less 444. Add 333. That is
888.
Add 777. Add 888. Less 555. That is
1110.
Add 999. Add 777. Add 999. That is
2775.
Add 888. Add 444. Add 222. That is
1554.
Add 999. Add 666. Add 999. That is
2664.
next. Add 1000. Less 444. Add 555. That is
1111.
next. Add 491. Add 9 12 times. Add 9. 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 That is
599.
imagination. Add 7. Add 8. Add 3. That is
18.
Add 9. Less 1. Add 7. That is
15.
Add 6. Add 5. Add 4. That is
15.
Add 4. Add 8. Add 4. That is
16.
Add 7. Add 6. Less 5. That is
8.
Add 4. Less 3. Add 2. That is
3.
Add 6. Less 5. Add 3. That is
4.
Add 9. Less 4. Add 2. That is
7.
Add 3. Add 9. Less 1. That is
11.
add 9. Add 4. Add 3. That is
16.
add 9. Add 4. Add 6. That is
19.
add 9. Add 3. Less 8. That is
4.
add 2. Add 7. Add 3. That is
12.
add 4. Less 2. Less 2. That is
0.
add 9.
Add 9.
Less 4.
Less 4.
Add 5. That is
5. 10.